Greetings to Dr. Ali. My name is Grace Nkake, metric number AP2200394. Now I would like to start with an introduction. In the year of 1982, McDonald's entered Malaysia and the first store was opened. McDonald's employs more than 15,000 Malaysians in its restaurants across the country, providing career, training, and development opportunities. Therefore, the study focused on the McDonald's located at 686 Jalan Pasir Puteh, Kampung Bengkalan Pego, 31500 Ipoh Perak. McDonald's Bengkalan in the Ipoh Perak opened in the year of 2010. After a few years, McDonald's Bengkalan was awarded the Best Crew Performance in 2016. For the issue, currently the problem faced by McDonald's Bengkalan in Ipoh is they face labor shortage because of the pandemic of COVID-19 that caused the company's sales to drop 50%. The management team had to reduce the number of workers to save their labor costs, and this led to a 30% decrease in employees. The fewer workers have slowed down their production and operation system, and this issue leads to the increasing numbers of complaints from customers because of the long duration of time to receive their meal. To address this challenge, a mathematical allocation methodology was required to ensure that the labor shortage problem is solved in a cost-effective manner. For our objective, number one is to analyze the mathematical modeling for solving the problem of labor shortage by optimizing labor management and meal preparation efficiency. Second, to maximize productivity and minimizing labor costs. So to achieve the objective, this study focused on minimizing the labor costs of workers and maximizing the productivity in McDonald's Bengkalan to solve the impact of the labor shortage and decrease the number of complaints of customers. We will analyze the mathematical modeling for solving the problem of labor shortage, which is linear programming, and calculate the total labor cost for the full-time and part-time workers with the optimal solution. The analysis include considering the cost for each workers, full-time and part-time, the numbers of workers per day, and the limited capacity of part-time workers per day.
Hi, my name is Fu Chaihua. My metric number is AP220177. In methodology, we using structured approach to improve labor management and meal preparation efficiency at McDonald's in Ipoh. We aim to maximize profitability through quantitative analysis. In research design, this study follows a quantitative approach, getting numerical data on staffing levels, meal preparation time, and customer demand. It helps us to identify the best staffing solution through statistical analysis. Move to the next, research methodology. We have applied linear programming to address operational issues and McDonald's in Bengkalan Ipoh. The lean programming will help to maximize the daily profit while considering constraints like workforce availability, meal preparation time, and labor costs. Move to the next, research population. The focus is on McDonald's in Bengkalan Ipoh. Ms. Rima is the manager, and she has provided the crucial insight into operational challenge, particularly the shortage of staff leading to delayed service and customer complaint. Move to the next, resource sampling. Ms. Rima quantitative input on workforce restructuring, customer service, and operational efficiency is key, as she has provided data on workforce availability, meal preparation time, and the labor cost, which is important for developing an optimal solution. Move to the next, research instrument. In this research, we use the qualitative interview with Ms. Rima, and the mathematical modeling using is the linear programming. The interview helps to gather the detail of operational data, and then we use the data analyzed by using linear programming to improve the efficiency and profitability. Lastly, research flow. The process begins with the interview, followed by the developing on linear programming model based on the finding. This combines both qualitative and quantitative data to create an optimal solution by using the graphical tools and the corner point property method for analysis.
Greetings to Dr. Ali. I'm Harini Selvaraju. My metric number is CP220064. I'm going to explain about the data collection process for this project. Firstly, for quantitative data, we conduct a depth interview with Ms. Rima, focusing on the operational challenges faced by MACD EPO. We use an open-ended question to explore the key issues faced by MACD, which is shortage of labors due to COVID-19, increase of customer complaints, and impact of workforce restructuring. This interview was recorded to ensure the accuracy of insights. And also, in addition to qualitative data, we also collected quantitative data related to operational variables like labor availability, daily customer demand patterns, service time metrics, and also profit margin for menu items. This data plays an important role in constructing the linear programming model and helps define the constraint and objective of function. Nextly, for data analysis, we have a step for essential addressing the operational challenges faced by MACD also. We develop a linear programming model using the qualitative insights from the interview to establish the objective function, constraint, and the decision variables. The graphical method helps us to visualize the visible region, while the corner point method property identify the optimal solution. Finally, we validate our research against the quantitative data, ensuring the recommendations are both practical and actionable for MACD EPO.
I'm Cha Sing from Grade 7 Section 1. Now I would like to talk about the result and discussion part. After interview from Ms. Rima, the manager of McDonald in Bangkalan Ipoh branches, we learned that McDonald outlets in Ipoh lack of workers. This shortage has resulted in operational slowdowns and increased number of customer complaints, especially during the peak hours. As a result, we formulate a linear programming model aimed at maximizing meal preparation efficiency while minimizing labor costs by using the data collected during the interview with Ms. Rima and solve it in data analysis. First, our objective function is about z equal 37.5x plus 57y, while our constraint is preparation time for meals is x plus 5y less than or equal to 15, and hours for worker work is 4x plus 5y less than or equal to 21. After calculation, we would compute the optimal solution using the corner point property method for finding the intersection point and feasible region. Now we move on to the graph. As you can see the graph, the line which x plus 5y less than or equal to 15 intersection with the line 4x plus 5y less than or equal to 21. Getting intersection of point C, which is 0.34 and 2.45 for xy axis. Because of the minimization of labor costs, therefore we will get the feasible region below the both line of equation. Not only that, but we can also see the point of donkey is 5.25 and 0 for xy axis. It is not 1.88 and 0. This is because from 0 upwards the line we touched at the start is 4x plus 5y less than or equal to 21. After that, we could sub the point into our objective function, which is z equal 37.5x plus 57y for finding the labor cost. The lowest the labor cost is the decision that we could consider for adding the amount of employee. After calculation, we can see that the lowest labor cost is 149.91 cents, which is from point B 0 and 2.63 xy axis. So, for solve the problem of labor shortage problem in McDonald outlets in Bangkalan, we would recommend Ms. Rima to add 3 full-time employees for allocation to maximize preparation time of meals and minimize the labor costs.
Conclusion, this study identified the labor shortage issues at McDonald's Bangkalan branch in Ipoh, then affecting meal preparation time, Qualitative interviews were used to understanding the company's problem. A mathematical model was created using linear programming, include meal preparation time, worker work per hours, and worker cost per day. The corner point property approach and graphical method were used to identify optimal solution for minimize the labor total cost. According to the equation Z equal to 37.58 plus 57y, where X is number of part-time employees and Y is number of full-time employees. The result found that point B is the optimal solution, where X is 0 and Y is 2.63. It means employing 3 full-time employees while not utilizing part-time employees is the best to minimize the total labor cost. Okay, then the recommendation for MACD Pengkalan Ipoh is hiring additional 3 full-time staff to better manage during peak hours. It can help reduce wait time for meal preparation and improve customer satisfaction. Second, implement flexible scheduling for full-time employees by shifting schedule based on predicted sales and customer traffic pattern. Third, provide training program by cross-training staff to perform multiple roles to ensure that they can adapt during peak hours. And the last one is offering bonus or extra pay for who work during peak hours, so it can motivate employees to work during peak hours and minimize employee shortage during busy period.